Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to solve a really tricky math question together. What do you think is the value of the expression 9 multiplied by 9 then divided by 9 multiplied by 9? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question looks very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's break it down and solve it together. In the first step of solving this question, most people go for the multiplication between the two 9s because they think that multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 81 divided by 81, and in the end, it gives them the answer 1. Then, without any hesitation, they immediately say that option A is the correct answer to this question. But this answer is absolutely wrong. Now let me explain step by step how we should solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. And this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must carry out each operation step by step following the correct order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, we have a multiplication sign, then a division sign, and again another multiplication sign in this expression. It's really important to understand that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step, performing multiplication and division in order. So, first we perform the multiplication between 9 and 9, which I have highlighted in yellow. And instead of the original expression, we can write 81 divided by 9 then times 9. And the next step, we do the division between 81 and 9, which simplifies this expression to 9 multiplied by 9. And finally, the answer becomes 81. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.